Look at this concentration and patience. You did it. You did it, Oliver. He got it. He got it. Yay, Nicholas. Let me get that one off. Okay, next. Uh-oh. Is it broken, Nicholas?
Yeah.
Yay! You got it. What's he gonna get next? Are you gonna get another one?
No.
Oh, yay, Nicholas!
You got the total Nicholas.
He got the squid. He's catching them all.
You got the squid.
He's a good fisherman. Are you a good fisherman, Oliver?
No, I'm not here.
You're not a good fisherman. You're Oliver.
You got a service.
A sea star.
Yeah.
Yep, there they are.
You got a dragon of the sea.
You got what? A dragon of the sea? Is that what this is?
Yeah.
This is a dragon of the sea. It's called a lobster. Oh, look at what else?
You got the lobster under the sea, Nicholas.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the jellies. You got the jelly under the water.
Mm-hmm. What else is he gonna get?
A trap.
He needs to take this off first. I think he likes this game. Yay, Nicholas!
You got a trap.
He got a crab.
You got the trap under the sea.
Mm-hmm.
Wait,
What did you get, Oliver?
a fish.
You got a fish. Yummy.
Now what do it again?
Let's do it again. Got it. You got the fish.
I got the fish.
What's next?
You got a trap, Nicholas. You got a trap. You got a trap, Nicholas.
Can you help him take it off so he can get the next one?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What's he?
Wait, give him the stick back. Give him the stick back so he can play.
There. Here we go. Now that's the dodo. We're showing the desert. That's the dodo. That's the dodo. Oh,
What did he catch? What is it? It's a sea urchin.
a sea ocean. Wow, you got sea ocean on the sea. With the fish on the sea.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Can you give Nicholas a kiss? Aww.